We will now mark up the words that we spelled. Our first word was plop. I see a blend in there, so I will put a line under each sound in that word. I also notice there is one vowel followed by a consonant, so I will mark this as a closed syllable. I will put a C at the bottom to show that it is closed, and I will mark a breve at the top of the vowel to show that it is short. Our next word is best. I see a blend at the end, which is ST, so I will underline each sound separately. I see a vowel followed by two consonants, so I will scoop it, mark it as a closed syllable, and I know the E says S, so I will mark it as a short vowel sound. The next word is flap. I also see a blend in that word, so I will underline the F and the L. I see a vowel followed by a consonant. I will mark that as a closed syllable, and I will mark the A with the breve because it is a short sound and it says ah. My last word is swim. I see another blend in that word, SW. I see a vowel followed by a consonant, so I'll put a C underneath to show that it is closed, and I will put a breve above the I to show that it is a short I and it says I.